So here we have 797 10,000ths plus 35 and 92 hundredths. Because we're adding with decimals, the most important thing to do is to make sure that we line up our decimal point. So the first thing we should do is write in our first number. The next thing we'll do is we'll write in our second number under our first. So what I like to do first is write in the decimal point, making sure I put it right under the first one. Next, I'll write in any numbers to the left of the decimal point, making sure that I only put one number in each column. So I'll write a 5 under the 0 and a 3 next to the 5. After that, we'll write in the numbers to the right of the decimal point, again making sure that we only put one number in each column. So let's put the 9 under the 0 and the 2 under the 7. If you have any blank spaces, you can always fill them with zeros as placeholders. So let's put a 0 under this 7, a 0 under this 9, and a 0 on top of this 3. Next, I'll write the plus sign, underline everything, and get to work, starting in the right column. And just a brief reminder, the reason why we line up our decimal points is because when we do that, we're actually lining up each of our place values in the correct column. 7 plus 0 is 7. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. We've got to make sure we bring down this decimal point. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 0 plus 3 is 3. Making the final answer 35 and 9,997 10,000ths. But most students will just read this as 35.9997.